What's the meaning of comptroller? Comptroller. Comptroller.
Comptroller. Comptroller. A comptroller is an individual who is responsible for a company's financial affairs, including accounting, financial reporting, and budget management. The comptroller typically oversees the preparation of financial statements, manages the organization's financial systems and procedures, and ensures compliance with accounting standards and regulations. They may also develop and implement financial policies and strategies to help the company achieve its goals. In summary, the comptroller plays a vital role in maintaining the financial health and stability of a company and is essential to its long-term success.